Creation, a gift from the giver. Nature is in perfect balance as the Creator designed it to be. Witness the glory of Him. Nature, a gift